Where is don't put the tape on there?
Yeah.
And then and pick up the jacks. Yeah, there you go.
So it's time to get gutters on this place. And George here has got the seamless gutter. So I was really dreading the whole 10-foot lengths of gutter and trying to get 48 feet up and have it sloped. This is all going to be just one continuous gutter from one end to the other.
Just right. Okay. Now we're gonna be really careful with this. Out here. There we go. There you go. There you go. That's the building. There you go. Yeah, we're on in here. Kind of like yep, up there. Line up with your ladder. Line up with your ladder. There you go. Yeah. Look at me. Look at me. Yeah. It's on my sleeve. Look at that. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I thought you didn't know. I thought you didn't know, bro. Okay. Time. Take your time. Take your time. Take your time. Take your time. Just talk to me, boss. Left or right, good or not good?
6 inches.
6 inches.
To
We're
the
going
back.
your way about 6 inches, boss.
Okay. Three more.
3 more.
Right there.
Okay, go run to the other side. Run real fast.
Oh, this is me running.
Real fast.
Not so much me running.
How we doing?
Come this way, about an inch.
Right there. Little more.
Yeah, let me see how that one looks.
All right.
Trouble is, everything moves when I run. And not necessarily the way I want it to.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's about right.
That's about right. All right. Give me a chance. Give me a chance. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
So that was a treat for you all. That's me running.
Put your safety on there, sir. Okay. You might have to go up some, you might not, but get your safety on there. Yeah. Once you're in, you're in. Yeah.
Some of these screws aren't the best as far as the self-drilling part.
You got it in? Okay. You want to get you another one to be safe?
Yeah.
Get you another one to be safe. Oh yeah. What's happening? What is happening here? Hold on. Don't let it strip. Don't let it strip. Don't let it strip.
Okay.
Once it's in, let it get snugged.
Yeah.
Let's see. Yeah. Until you get comfortable. Don't move until you feel comfortable.
So you're ever in my area and you need gutters, let George do it. Okay, so the simpless gutter goes up. You just put a 2-foot downspout on it. The difference in height between the gutter up there and the tank over there is about 5 feet. So that'll give me a nice little slope over, and I can always shorten that up if I have to. But that's the first step in the rain collection system, and I got to get all this pipe here to do it. I could have done the had them put the aluminum the way the winds are here. It just would have tore it up. So I went with a Schedule 40 thick wall and go from there. So, and once it cools off a little bit, when they get done, then I'll start doing that. Okay, so this is the rest of the rain catchment. I came over. This tank is offset off the corner, so it's a nice straight run, nice and easy to do. I got a little tail sticking down in. These skids are here because I haven't had a chance to get fence up, and the cattle don't like walking on these things. They come through here all the time, and they don't like it, so hopefully that'll discourage them from stepping on the valves. Next fall I will get a fence up to keep the cattle out of our my living area here. Now this side, the tank's set back a little bit. I didn't think this thing through. I should have moved this out this way about 5 feet. So I came in at an angle, and I got a 45 and another 45 to go in the gutter. I don't really like the way it is, but I just run out of time. So it'll work. I did the math. This county gets an average of 14 inches of rain a year. That's the whole county. Mountains get more than over here. But if I was to get 6 inches of rain here, I would end up with about 6,000 gallons, and my tanks hold 5,000 together. So, hey, I'm hoping that I come back in a few months, because I am about to hit the road again, head up to New York, pick up Carson, go to the school at UP, and I'm hoping I come back and these tanks are full. That'd be nice. Then I can start working on pumps and all the other fun stuff for a water system. So anyway, that's the end of the building. And I did not get a The door's built for the front. So what I did was I got the materials for the doors and I just basically boarded it up, and hopefully that'll keep it secure. So I'm gonna get on the road, and I'll see you on the next one. Be safe, my friends. Hi everybody. Well, you know, remember from the last couple of videos I said I was going to get out on the road, and that's where you'd be seeing me from? Well, technically, yeah, I'm on the road. I'm just off of I-40 over there, and they just put up a new sign. I get to watch them do that. I'm near Holbrook, Arizona, and I've been here at this truck stop for a week. First couple days, well, when I left property, I knew the bus still had some issues. Went to AAA. Tony and his mechanics and I thought we had it fixed again. This thing is driving all of us crazy. We've tried everything we can think of, and I left there thinking it was fixed again. And no fault to him. Whatever's going on, I need an exorcist or something for this bus. What it's doing is it chugs. Like I'll be driving along at 62 miles an hour, and all of a sudden I lose 100 RPM. So the bus does this. Sometimes it's like, which is what happened the second day that I was on the road. I headed down there to the exit, or the entrance. It's about a half mile, and I 20 miles an hour all the way there before I turned around. It was just chug, 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 chug. So anyway, talking with Tony for a couple days, I tried a few more things, and eventually concluded that it's got to be an electrical issue. It's got to be a cracked wire or something. So I want to get the bus back to my place. I'm bagging all my summer plans and just going to stay here, and when it gets cooler, I'm going to put a new wiring harness on it. But in the meantime, you know, the stuff that I hurried about, like the rain catchment, I can fine tune that. Doors for the shop, I can do that. But right now I'm waiting on, actually I should be in there where the phone is. I'm waiting on a guy with a flatbed or of some sort to haul the bus back down to my place. So anyway, technically I'm on the road, soon to be off the road.